All right, here's a quick tip for how to install string ferrules in the back of your Telecaster. You don't need those tools from like StewMac or Reverb that are for aligning. All you need to do is go to Harbor Freight or Ace Hardware and check their cheap bin. Find a skinny screwdriver. Take your string ferrule with you and make sure that it fits. So see, this one fits nice and snug. Then the screwdriver is long enough that when you put it in the hole, it self-aligns. See that? It comes all the way through the telly body. And then when you come down from the top, it keeps it at pretty much a right angle. There's a little bit of wiggle, but has never steered me wrong yet. So what you do is on your workbench, you've got your bench dog holes. So you just line up your telly with that hole so that when the screwdriver goes all the way through, it doesn't go into your table. Let's see if we can get a close-up on this now. All right. See how it keeps it pretty much 90 degrees. It's great. Now, take a hammer, and this is plastic, so it's probably not going to mar your paint job even if it were to touch it, but it probably won't touch it anyway. So here, we'll just watch how it goes, how easy it goes in. Kind of hear the last thud, which is a little bit harder because it's seated completely. And there it is. Zoom in a little more. All right, now I want to show you just how fast and easy this can be. All done.